Hello everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I am so excited to share with you my new knife set because the set I had before was from when I got married about 12 years ago. So this is a really cool upgrade. This is blue resin right here, and each handle is totally different. So none of them are gonna be exactly the same. These are high carbon steel. They are extremely sharp. I have had some close calls with them because I was not used to them yet. See that? Barely took any effort. These are so sharp. They are so well balanced. They are ergonomic to hold, and this steel feels really solid. There's no seams here. It's all one piece. And look at how this meat cleaver cuts through the sweet potato so easy. I love it. And the knife that I'm holding right here is my favorite out of the whole set of 8. This is the Santoku Knife, which literally means 3 uses, and that is slicing, mincing, and dicing. And it's just a great knife. And right here you can see this beautiful Damascus etching design. This is not Damascus steel, but it does have the beautiful design. And these are really meant to be displayed. These would be the perfect gift actually for someone that loves to cook and is artsy, because they are definitely a statement piece and the quality is impeccable. So if you've been thinking about gifting yourself a new set of knives, check out SENKEN. They are masters of their crafts, but that's just my point of view.